Ma'am, it was a wonderful session. I found it very exciting and very interesting. And the way you explained it in very simple words, I am sure all of us have understood because it's about the way you explain also such. I didn't know so much about cross-curricular integration, but the way you explained it in very simple words and very comfortably you explained, and you kept repeating also so that we understand it well. It was an amazing session which I will never forget, and I'm looking forward to apply this in my classroom as well. I'm a pre-primary teacher, so I haven't applied it in my classroom till now, but I'm looking forward to do it now from now on. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. It was a wonderful session.